How to fix 8-ball pool not connecting to Facebook. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you are having trouble connecting 8-ball pool to Facebook, don't worry. I have got some quick solutions to help you fix it. So let's get started. First, check your internet connection. A stable internet connection is crucial for linking 8-ball pool to Facebook. Here's what to do. Make sure you are connected to a reliable Wi-Fi or mobile network. If you are on Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data or vice versa to see if that helps. A weak connection can often block the connection to Facebook. Next, update the 8-ball pool application. An outdated app version can sometimes cause connection issues. Here's what to do. Go to App Store or Google Play Store and search for 8-ball pool and check if there's an update available. If there is, update the app as updates often fix bugs and improve connectivity. Next, clear cache for Facebook. If you are on Android, clearing the Facebook apps cache can help with connection. Go to Settings, then tap Application, then go to Facebook and tap on Storage and select Clear Cache. This can remove temporary files that might be causing issues. If the issue persists, try connecting Facebook with the application. Open 8-ball pool and go to Settings. Tap Connect to Facebook and follow the prompts to reconnect. If asked, allow all the permission to ensure a smooth connection. And that's it. Hopefully these steps help you connect 8-ball pool to Facebook. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.